Hello and welcome. Thanks again for listening today. This podcast is for newcomers living in Canada who want to feel more confident using English. Today, we will practice talking to your child's teacher in Canada. In Canada, parents often speak to teachers about their child's school progress, any questions they may have, or concerns about their schoolwork. It is okay to ask questions and share your concerns politely. Now, let's listen to a conversation. The parent speaks first. Hello, I would like to talk about my child. The teacher responds, Of course, how can I help you? The parent explains, I have a concern about my child's reading. The teacher replies, Thank you for sharing your concern. I'm happy to talk about it. The parent continues, My child enjoys school, but reading is difficult sometimes. The teacher responds, I understand. We can work on this together. Now, let's review some important words. Teacher, that's the person who teaches your child and the other students. Parent, the mother or father, yourself. Concern, something you are worried about. Now, let's listen again. This time it'll be a little bit slower. The parent speaks first. Hello, I would like to talk about my child. The teacher responds, Of course, how can I help you? The parent explains, I have a concern about my child's reading. The teacher replies, Thank you for sharing your concern. I'm happy to talk about it. The parent continues, My child enjoys school, but reading is difficult sometimes. The teacher responds, I understand. We can work on this together. Now you can practice. Scroll back and listen again and repeat each sentence out loud. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You're doing great. Just keep trying. Today, you practiced talking to a teacher, sharing a concern politely, using calm, clear English. This is Real English for real life in Canada. You're doing great. If this episode was helpful, you can subscribe for more easy English practice for life in Canada. See you on the next one.